Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you how to make soft, fluffy flatbread today. It's so easy, you can do it. Let's start by mixing 2 cups of whole wheat flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a big bowl. Now slowly add about 3/4 cup of warm water while mixing. Use your hands to knead the dough until it comes together. It might be a little sticky at first, but don't worry. Now cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting time is so important for soft chapatis. While we wait, let me tell you a secret. I learned this recipe from my grandmother, and it always reminds me of her. After resting, divide the dough into 10 equal portions and shape them into cute little balls. Now comes the fun part. Take each ball and roll it into a thin circle, about 6-8 inches wide. If the dough sticks, just sprinkle a little flour. Look at those beautiful circles. You're doing great. Now that our dough is ready, let's cook these flatbreads. Heat up a skillet or tawa over medium-high heat. Make sure it's nice and hot. Place one of your rolled-out chapatis on the hot skillet. Watch closely. After about 30-40 seconds, you'll see little bubbles forming. That's when you know it's time to flip. Cook the other side for another 30 seconds. Here's a trick. Gently press the chapati with a spatula or clean kitchen towel. This helps it puff up beautifully. Flip it one more time and cook for a few more seconds until you see some lightly charred spots. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. If you want, brush some melted butter or ghee on top for extra flavor. Mmm, so delicious. Serve your chapatis warm with your favorite curry or use them as wraps. They're perfect for any meal. Remember to store any leftover chapatis in a container lined with a clean towel to keep them warm and soft. You did it! Wasn't that easy? I'm so proud of you. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and share if you enjoyed this recipe. Let's make more delicious food together soon. Bye-bye!